Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning Point with DK. And before starting this, I would like to ask all of you to subscribe my channel and share it and like it because it takes lots of work. Then such a video is ready for you. Let's start now. Here, class 10 assertion reason questions. As everybody knows here that you will have questions, objective questions of 40 marks, and out of them definitely you will get some questions from assertion reason question. So first number, that is the first chapter, first flight, a letter to God, which is written by GL Fuentes. Here we have, this is what a small thing, but remember, because sometimes we are very confident and we don't pay attention on such things, the name of the author and poet. So it's very important to remember those things. So here, a letter to God written by GL Fuentes, and A for assertion, and then R for reason. So the first question we'll take here, that is here, Lancho wrote a letter to God asking for money and received it the next day. Okay, fine. This is, we can say this is the correct one. This is the correct one. Not an issue. The next, this is what assertion and this one is given, and after reading it we have to understand whatever is written here, is it correct, and this one explains it correctly. That we see the postman and the postmaster laughed at the letter. That's fine. Till here there is nothing wrong, and the man who wrote the letter and sent the money to make fun of him. This is not correct, because the postmaster actually he didn't want to make fun of the person who wrote the letter. When he came to know that with such a unshakable faith the person wrote this letter to the God, and then he would like to have that kind of faith, and that's why he collected the money. Therefore this is the reason is wrong, and it does not explain the first, that is above mentioned assertion. Now so this is truth and this is reason is false, reason is wrong, and that's why A is right and true, and R, this reason, is false, and it does not explain assertion properly. Now we have the question number 2. In this C, postmaster, this is A for assertion. So postmaster collected the money. That's right, he collected the money. Then this is the explanation of the first one. This is assertion. Let's see this explanation is correct or wrong. The postmaster didn't want to shake Lancho's faith. Okay, that's right. That's why he collected the money, and therefore assertion is truth. That is true, and reason is this explains correctly assertion. So both are right. A and B, A and R, sorry, A and R both are right, and R explains A correctly. Now we have this one. Here, Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. This is also written by Nelson Mandela. This is the name of the chapter, Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. Here, the first question we'll take. Assertion is here given. Nelson Mandela became first black president of Africa. So, this is correct. In 1994, the first time, this is the first time the first black community is to be the part of the government, and first time a black person was going to become the president, the first president from the black community of South Africa. So this is why this is the correct one. The reason here given to explain this one. Let's see this the reason. This the reason is given here. Is it sufficient to explain assertion or not? Ceremony saw the largest gathering of leaders from all over the world. So far this is correct. The great dignitaries of the world, they all participated in that ceremony where the president was about to take the oath, present in South Africa to bear witness to such an extraordinary event. So this is correct because the dignitaries all over the world, they came to South Africa to give their consent for such a new non-Russian government which was to be formed. So both are right and R explains A correctly. Now we have, this is question number 2 from chapter 2, that is Nelson Mandela. Depth of operation creates such heights of character. Fine, this is correct. This is correctly given, which is also given in the book, in the text. The reason is given for this when the leaders were in the worst condition. Fine, okay, they are in trouble, deep trouble. That is called depth of operation. So still here no issue. Then only they did their best to save themselves. So here we have the line to save themselves. This is not correct. And therefore we can say कि A is correct, R is wrong, because R does not and R also does not explain A, that assertion, correctly. Because yes, leaders, they are in trouble, they are in the worst condition, and that time okay, they try their level best to come out from there, but it's not for them. But the problem, for when problem comes to them, that means that comes to the entire country, because leader is not living for himself only, he lives for the entire community or the country. That's why here this is to save themselves, this is the negative one, so this is wrong. Now we move to another one. Two stories about flying. So we know that the first part, which is written by Flaherty, and the second part, which is written by Forsyth. So I have written here in short Flaherty and Forsyth. Now we have the young seagull, that is Flaherty, and then the black aeroplane by Forsyth. So here we have this one. The young seagull was alone on the ledge. The young seagull was alone on the ledge. Fine, this is correct because the family members, the parents scolded him, rebuked him, and told him if he would not start flying, then he won't be given food, and left alone on the ledge. So that's correct here. Okay, this is correct. Assertion is correct. Let's see this reason is correctly explaining it or not. So his family migrated to another continent. His family. This is wrong. The family did not go anywhere. They went to hunt. They went to hunt and then feed themselves. So this is how. This is wrongly explained. Assertion. So A is correct and R is wrong. Now we have question number 2. The author was flying Dakota from England to France. Actually, if you have read it very properly, then you must know that the author was flying Dakota from France to England. So this is wrong. So A is incorrect, and R, he wanted to be with his family. This is correct. Yes, he wanted to come to England because he wanted to have a dine with the family. He wanted to do the dinner with the family. At the same time, he wanted to meet with the family, and that's why he wanted to come back to England, his home country. So this is correct. So A is wrong and R is correct. Now we have the last one. This is from the poem Dust of Snow, which is written by Robert Frost. And the poet was in sorrowful mood. Yes, the poet was in the beginning in sorrowful, melancholy mood. Fine, he was not happy because of any reason which is not mentioned, but he was not in a good mood. That's why is the correct one. The last one here, that is the reason is given. This is to explain assertion properly. That is given. The poet saw a crow on a hemlock tree. So I don't think the poet saw a crow on a hemlock tree, and that's why he was in a sorrowful mood. He was already in sorrowful mood. So that's why this reason which is given for explaining A assertion is not correct. So A is true and R is wrong, and R does not explain A. This is the answer. I hope you have understood how to use your understanding, how you can develop to write which one is the right one, which one is wrong. So simply just understand that assertion means the statement, and then first statement are for reason. So reason means what? The reason is given to explain assertion, that is the statement, whether the given statement, that assertion is correct or not. If reason tells correctly about the statement, that assertion explains it very properly, then only you can say the reason is right. Otherwise, and if it does not explain assertion properly, that's very simple, this is wrong. Yeah, sometimes it may be possible कि A is also right, reason is also right, but reason only right when this explains assertion properly. And it may be possible कि A is wrong and reason is right. That may be possible. In that case, what is that? You will say कि reason is right and assertion is wrong. That may be possible. Like you see here given, what is that? Here given one, you see that depth of operation period. This is truth and this is wrong. Then we have here the young seagull was alone on the ledge. This is truth, but this is wrong. Then here given the author was flying Dakota from England. So this is false. You see, this is false, and he wanted to be with family, his family. So this is right. So we can write here na कि A is wrong and R is right. R is right and A is wrong, so you don't need to write there कि A explains A correctly or something else. So in that only A is wrong and R is right. That's it, or correct. So this is how I hope you have understood, and that much only for today. In the next video, I will give you better. I will try to give you better videos. I just want you to subscribe and share and like my channel. That's it. Thank you for watching this.